Welcome to Vitamin Maths. Today we are going to see a new method, that is Japanese multiplication trick for a 2-digit number and 3-digit number. So firstly we will see a 2-digit number. Please watch my video till the end to get excited or get astonished by this method. So it's the most simple method. So let's begin. So let's start the multiplication of a number. First one, that is 12 into 13. So here we have two numbers, 12 and 13. So initially what I will do, I will consider 1 and I will draw a straight line like this, and 2. So two lines close to each other, and now we have to consider this one line. Similarly draw a vertical line and these 3 lines closer to each other. And now what you have to do is just count the number of intersections. Now I have 3 intersections here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 intersections here, and now here 1 2 3 4 and 5. So you have to take the combined value of these top intersections and bottom intersections, that is 3 plus 2, you have 5 intersections. Okay, and this is 6 here, and here you have only one intersection, so write this as 1. So basically what you have to do, you have to take the intersections. So this will come along this side, and this both you have to add, and this is separate 1. So finally what number you are having now? Finally you are having 6, 5 and 1. So this is your answer. 156 is the answer. So are you amazed by this trick? Let's solve some more examples. Let's take another example, students. So second example, 23 into 32. So let us begin. So first consider 23, 2 lines and 3 lines, horizontal lines. So horizontal in the sense I will draw it in a slant way, because I need to get a shape of this rhombus type, so that it will become easy to calculate the combined value of this top row and here this one bottom row. Now 2 lines here, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 3, and now I shall consider 32. So 3 lines, 2 3 and 2 lines. So now we shall understand the intersections here. So I told you 1 2 3 4 5 6 intersections, and here you have 1 2 3 4. So 4 here, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 4 plus 9, total 9. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So 13 intersections here, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here you have 6 intersections. So finally I am just going to write here by the side. So 6, and now you have 13. When you have 2-digit number, the second digit in the tens place should be taken carry to this number. So what happens here is the 1 will become a carry to this number, carry. So 6 plus 1, that is 7. So now what we will do here, so 6, and I have to write 3 here, and 1 is carry, that is 7. So our answer is 736. So let's try another example. Now I am taking a little bit higher number, 63 and 65. So for this let's solve it 6 3. So 6 lines. So be careful here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and 3 lines here, 1 2 3. And now you have to draw again 6 lines and 5 lines vertically. So 1 2 3 4 5, and this is 6, and again 5 lines you have to draw, 1 2 3 this is 4, and one more I will draw here. So this is 5. So totally 6 and 5. Now I shall take the count of the intersections. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 3s are 15 intersections. And here I shall take again a count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s are, so I have 25 here, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 3s are 18. So 25 plus 18 gives out 43 to me. So 25 plus 18 is 43. And now what I will do is, and now we have totally 30 intersections here, and we have 18 intersections here. Okay, so this 30 is actually 5 into 6 lines. Okay, 5 into 6 lines, and this is here 3 into, sorry, 6 into 3 lines. So 6 into 3 lines. Okay, so totally I will get 48 now, and here I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 6 are, so 36 intersections. So now we have considered this separate intersections, and here we have considered this as a separate intersection, and this both we have combined. So at finally what we are going to see, just be careful here. So 15, the most right side 15, and 48. So 48 I have written, and here we have 36. So first digit we write as it is 5, and 1 we take carry to this. 8 plus 1 is 9, and 4 we take carry to 6. So 36 plus 4 is 40. So 4095 is our answer. So are you really amazed by this method? How Japanese use the multiplication trick? It's very creative and innovative. How many of you don't know this type of techniques? So practice. So next we will see 3-digit number. So let me quickly calculate some 2-digit number multiplication. So 21 into 13. So just 2 here, 1 1 and 1 2 3. So 3 intersections here, 3 2s are 6 intersections, and here 1 intersection, and here 2. So finally what, 3 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 will come here, and this 2. So 273 is the answer. And let's take one more example. 22 into 31. So 1 2 1 2 2 3 and 1 here. So 1 2 2 intersections here, here also 2. 3 2s are 6 intersections, and again 3 2s are 6 intersections again. So this is 2 here, 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 intersections, and again 6. So finally 682. So this is the answer. So this is method is very beautiful, and it's, let's begin the 3-digit multiplication. Now we shall consider 213 into 324. So first let us consider 213. So let's draw 2 lines first, and next 1 line here, and 3 lines at the bottom here. So first digit is over, and now first number is over, and now 324 we have to draw. So again we will draw here. So 1 2 and this is 3, and again 2 1 and 2. Now 4 digits we have to draw. So 1 2 3 and finally 4. So 4 digits we have drawn. So now what we have to do is we have to consider intersections. So let's begin the intersections here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 10, 11, 12. So actually you can do it like this: 4 into 3 lines, that is 12 intersection points. So this part is done. Now next we have to see one more part here. So we have 3 digits here, so we get 3 intersections here: 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 intersections here. And next you have to count here: 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 2, that is 8 intersections here. And now here you have to count 1, 1, 2. So 2 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 intersections here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 intersections here. And next you begin the count for this intersection: 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 intersections here, and 1, 2, 3. So 3 intersections here. And lastly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 intersections here. So now you have to be very careful, because this 6 and 4 and 6 intersections, they are combined. These 4 and 6 intersections are combined, and this 8, 2 and 9 intersections, these intersections are combined. So 6 plus, so let me write here 12, and this 6 plus 4 is 10 intersections. So let me write 10 here. And now we shall write 8 plus 2, 10, 8 plus 2, 10, and plus 9. So totally 19 intersections. So let us write 19 here. And finally we will write 4 plus 3, 7. So these both intersections, so that is 4 plus 3, that is 7 intersections. So just write it as 7 intersections there. So 7 intersections. And lastly we have only 6 intersections. So lastly we have only 6 intersections. Now we will solve this. Write this 12 as it 2 as it is, and now 0. Now we have, so we have to write this 12 as it is, and now we have to take this 0 out here, and 1 is carry for this. 19 plus 1, 20. So the 0 comes here, and 2 goes as a carry. So 67 plus 2 is 69. So 69012 is the answer. So this method is very much easy when you compare to multiplication of 3-digit numbers, but it becomes little bit clumsy or cumbersome if the numbers are higher. Like suppose if you have some 987 into 644. So in this case you have to draw 9 lines, 8 lines, 7, 6, 4, 4. So that time this method is, it becomes very clumsy, and you need to count a lot of things there. Then the normal conventional method will be better. But I think you are really amazed by the Japanese trick. So it is very different, and many of us don't know this type of techniques. So when we solve this type of techniques, we'll be so amazed. And let us understand the mathematics in a better way. So